So welcome to Tiffany's. Welcome back to my channel. This is the place for you to be visually inspired to create a beautiful space. I am actually going to do a Tory Burch unboxing of my handbag, my wallet, and some shoes that my lovely husband purchased for me. Let me grab some tea real quick. So I just thought I would try a little something different today and do fashion to see how you guys like that. Fashion and home decor, they kind of integrate a little bit because from the same concepts you can build and create a beautiful look with your wardrobe the same way you can with home decor or office decor. So if you guys like these kind of videos, let me know in the comment section, hit the like button, and sharing is caring, so you guys can feel free to do that as well. But definitely let me know if this is something you would like to see more of on this channel. But I am going to go ahead and get started. So first, I've already unboxed this. I'm just showing you guys the packaging and everything and how it comes. So this is my handbag here, and it comes in this beautiful little satchel. But first I want to talk about this. Look at these bags. Like, they are so strong. Like, and you have fabric what do you call it? Straps. You have fabric straps, and I love the color combination, the purple and the orange and the fuchsia and black, and it has the T just like, you know, Tiffany. But anyways, I love the bag, you know, it's just so beautiful. The design on there. They also take the time to give you a beautiful satchel for to protect your bag, and it comes with this beautiful Tory Burch emblem on the end of the drawstring. And I chose to get the I'll have to put the exact name of this particular bag in the description box below. Just click the show more so you guys can see the exact name of it. I went in there to get this one because I was in the store and I fell in love with it as soon as I saw it. Y'all know me, always talking about how much I fell in love with something. So love at first sight. So anyways, I went in there because I wanted a nice fall bag, but it was also a nice summery bag too. And it's a neutral color, so you can pretty much wear it with anything. Like right now I'm wearing black, but you see my army fatigue and all of that good stuff, and it's really cold outside, and you know, it's just a very versatile bag. And so I went in there to get this one. They have had a black one in there too, but it didn't have this contrast. It was just all black, and I think I forget what type of material it was, but this one is leather and it's like canvas type material. The stitching in here is perfect. It's immaculate. And the firmness, the thickness of this material and the leather, it's really smooth. And I love the design. I just love the design. The contrast is simple, it's classy. Her pocket here, which it snaps open, and I like to put my cell phone right there, and it keeps it pretty secure in that pocket. And then you have the leather on the bottom, and I beat my purses up, you guys. I have to say I'm hard on my bags, and this is really strong, and just, it's a good bag. It's a sturdy bag. And I mean, I try to be careful with my handbags. I try not to get them dirty, but this one, it's just taking a beating. There are no scratches. I've had it for probably, I want to say maybe 7 weeks, 6-7 weeks. I will have to see for sure, but it's been through some things that you can't really tell looking at it. So I'm really happy with it. It gives you there's a nice comfortable gap between your shoulder and your arm pit here. I hate to say that, but I don't like when I have a purse and the bottom of my arm, the armpit is actually like being grazed by the purse. So you can easily put something, a nice thick jacket on, and still be comfortable carrying this bag. Also, it snaps on either side to expand, which I love. And this is a magnet right here to open it. And as you can see, it's very deep. And there are 2 pockets on the inside. There's one that's just open, and then you have a zipper back here with the gold. It's a gold zipper with the gold Tory Burch medallion there. And these pockets are pretty deep. They're pretty deep, nice and deep. So I can fit a lot in this bag. I need a purse that can take a lot, take a licking and keep taking. And it gets quite heavy because I carry my, my vlogging camera. I'm a mom. I have snacks. I always have my kombucha with me. It's a heavy glass drink. And so, anyways, it holds a lot. If you're one of those people who have to have a lot of items in your bag, it can withstand. And it's gorgeous. It's so stylish. So anyways, yeah, so that's the bag. Comment below if you love Tory Burch. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh my gosh. I just absolutely love it. Next, we have something that I went back on my own and bought. Well, hubby was at work, but he was all good with it. We have this wallet here. I needed something to, like, when I'm with my daughter at the fair or whatever, we went to the carnival, that I can just have to wrap around my body, because this is actually, it's a wallet, but, well, first of all, let's talk about the outer material. So there, it's cream, and it's like this alligator print. I love alligator print. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful, silky smooth, and it's just so cute, but very classy. Anyway, so back to what I was saying. It's a wallet, but there is a trick. Look at the gold chain. It's a crossbody. So you can take it and just wear it. And you can see how stylish it looks just laying here on my black vest. I'm just sitting down chilling and I'm looking good. Oh my gosh, I'm looking so fly just for this video, sitting down on the floor. Tory Burch make you look good just sitting, okay? Tell me I'm wrong. Anyway, so some of the little features on here. So we have a pocket here in the back, and we have 2 pockets here in the front, and 2 pockets down here that I actually completely forget about all the time. One here, one here. Oh, I always forget about that. Anyways, and then so you have, now in here I had, as y'all saw, I had these tweezers, my lip balm, and my toothpicks. Oh, there we go. They're inside there. In case you didn't know, I had braces, just got them off. This was my cute little toothpick container. And all that was in here on top of, I had more than that before on top of that, and it all still fit. Then it opens up this way. So it's a billfold. So you can add your cash. The only thing it doesn't have is a little change section. So there are no snapbacks in here. It's the only section. There are no zippers or anything like that. So you can't put coin in here. But it's totally cute and stylish and functional. And I absolutely love it. And it fits in my bag perfectly. It's classy, it's mature, it's ladylike, it says mom, it's stylish, all of those good things. So anyway, and they actually wrapped it all nice and beautiful with this gold sticker. I just love it, and the customer service is impeccable. So there's that. And the final one, here we have my, now this is a darker purple bag with green. Well, I should say it's fuchsia, purple, and green. I love those colors together. It kind of reminds me of Mystery Mix Now and Laters as a kid. Remember that? So these shoes I am obsessed with. I am actually going back. I have to get the black ones and the brown ones because they have brown, this color, brown, and black. I love them because I'm not a tennis shoe girl. I really don't care for flats, but this is the perfect blend of, it's stylish, it's not too thick, plus I'm really, my legs are skinny, so I need something that's petite to put on top of my feet when I'm wearing certain things. And so this is really versatile. You can wear it, I've worn it with like a fitted army fatigue dress from New York and Company. I've worn it with just some jogging pants. I've worn these with my skinny jeans. You can wear these with your shorts, with I don't know if they call them capri pants anymore, but you can wear them with capri pants. I mean, you can wear these with anything and it will just style it up. And so it's time that I give them a nice little wipe down or whatever, but they've been through it. And you know, there's a little dirt there and a little dirt on the back of my heel. I have some leather cleaner and everything, but I love the inside. It's like kind of like some jute rope, and then it has the Tory Burch emblem on the inside, and I love the Tory Burch emblem right here. Love it. Maybe I show this shoe because this one is not the Tory Burch emblem. I don't know, something about having my own initial on something too that might have something to do with it, but it's so classy. So if you're going to wear a flat shoe but you want to still be really stylish, this is the perfect option for you to do that with. So so yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys that. Let me know if you are a Tory Burch lover. I'm not really a name brand person per se. There are a few name brand, let me see, products that I really love, and Tory Burch is one of them. If I like something, I just like it. I don't care if somebody's name is on it or not. I'm not one of those people who have to have someone's name on their apparel. But there's just, if I like it, I like it. And so I actually love this. So anyways, this is the shoe box that came in. It's new cream gold 107, and it's leather, calf leather, Napa, size 9.5. Y'all want to send me some shoes? Narrow. Anyway, narrow please, thank you. Anyway, so that wraps up my Tory Burch haul, handbag, wallet, and shoe collection. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Talk to you later.